Students, in our previous class we have completed exercise 2e till question number 18. Today we will start from question number 19. Now students, in question number 19 what they have given you? They have given you HCF of two numbers. That means HCF they have given to you, that is 145. LCM is also given to you, that is 2175, and out of two numbers one number is given to you, that is 725. And what you have to find out? You have to find out the other number. That means you have to use the property which we were using for these questions, question number 17 and question number 18 and question number 16. Which property we were using? Product of two numbers equals to HCF into LCM, or you can say otherwise also, that is first number into second number equals to HCF into LCM. Now students, in this question what you will do? You will multiply 145 and 2175 and then you will divide it with the first number, that is 725. Okay, so let's start doing. Okay students, so you will write first of all HCF is what? 145. LCM is 2175 and first number is given to you. That means product of two number में से first number दिया हुआ है 725. And what you have to find out? You have to find out the, so for finding out other number what you will write? You will write other number equals to, हमेशा एक चीज़ याद रखना, ये जो दो नंबर्स हैं वो आ जाएंगे ऊपर, that is HCF into LCM. They will come together. So I will write 145 into 2175. Okay, and in the denominator I will write 725. Now my next step will be cancelling it out. Okay, now when you see these numbers you will find out that last digit is what? 5. That means it is going to divide in it is going in the table of 5. Okay, so first of all I will take 725 and 145. Is it going in the table of 5? Yes. 5 2 times and then 4 will be your remainder, so 5 9 ja 45. Again 5 1 ja 5, 6 7, so 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. Now 29 and 145, we will see whether in the table of 29 145 is going or not. So 29 5 ja, 9 5 ja will be 45, 5 2 ja 10, 11 12 13 14. Yes, it is going. So I will write 29 1 times and 29 5 times. Okay, now 5 and 2175 will go in the table of 5. So 5 1 times and then 5 4 ja 20. 1 will be your remainder, 5 3 ja 15, then 2 will be your remainder, it will become 25, then 5 5 ja 25. That means my other number will be 435. So you will write, hence the other number equals to 435. Now students, question number 20 is same as question number 19. So I want you to do this question so that you will become perfect in this question. Okay, here also HCF and LCM is given to you. and one number is given to you. You have to find out just other number. Now I am doing question number 21. In question number 21, what they have given you, find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. Whenever the least number is given to you, that means you have to find out the LCM. So here what we will find out? We will find out the LCM. So I hope you can do this question also. जैसे हम लोगों ने LCM find out किया था, उसी तरीके से आपको यहाँ पर भी LCM find out करना है. I will do question number 22, 23 and 24 for you. Okay? आज हम 24 क्वेश्चन तक करेंगे. So this is also your homework. 20 and 21 is your homework. Question number 22 is, find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as a remainder in each case. Students, this type of question we have done in case of HCF also, but there greatest number was given. ठीक है, find the greatest number दिया हुआ था और रिमाइंडर के लिए उन्होंने 5 दे रखा था. तो हमने क्या किया था, हर एक नंबर में से पहले 5 को माइनस किया था और उसके बाद में हमने HCF फाइंड आउट किया था. बट इन दिस केस आपको पहले माइनस नहीं करना है 9 को. व्हाट यू विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल फाइंड आउट द LCM ऑफ 25, 40 and 60 and whatever LCM will come, you will just add 9 to that LCM. Is it clear? Now we will see how we have to do this question. Okay. Okay students. So question number 22. You have to write the question. I am doing only the solution. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60. That means we have to find out LCM of 25, 40 and 60. Now you all know how to find out the LCM. When we were finding LCM, I showed you two methods, that is division method and prime factor method. Yes or no? And in case of that, I told you that I will use only one method. So that method was this one. 25, 40 and 60. Now when you see these numbers, you will find that they all are going in table 5. Okay. So those students who want to take the table 2 for dividing 40 and 60, they can take 2 also. But right now I am taking 5. So 5 times 25 is going. Then 5 8 times 40 is going. And 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. That means 5 12 times 60 is going. Again 5 is coming. So I can take 5 here. 5 1 ja 5. Then 8 and 12. Now I can take 2 stable. ऐसे मत सोचना कि पहले 5 ले लिया तो हम बाद में 2 ले सकते हैं या नहीं ले सकते. We can take 2. आप पहले लेना चाहते हो तो पहले भी ले सकते हो और बाद में लेना चाहते हो तो बाद में भी. So I am taking 2. But they should be prime numbers only. Okay. So 2 4 ja 8 and 2 6 ja 12. Again 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. Then again 2 1 ja 2 and then in the last 3 1 ja 3. So what are the LCM or what are the factors? So 5 into 5 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now multiply. 5 5 ja 25, 25 or 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So just multiply 25 into 24. So when you multiply 25 into 24, we are getting 600. Okay. Now what you will do? The remainder was given to you, that is 9? Yes or no? You will just add 9 to it and your answer will be 609. That means your answer will be find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as the remainder is 609. Okay. Now the next question. Now these two questions are very important. Question number 23 and 24. So just listen it carefully.